Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to change our TikTok profile link. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we go on with the video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our content. Changing your profile link or your TikTok username is very easy. All you have to do is follow every step that I make and do not skip the video so you can surely change your TikTok profile's link. Don't worry though, it only takes 4 steps to change our TikTok profile link. So what are we waiting for? Let's go on with the video. The first step that we must do is open the TikTok application. Once we have opened the TikTok app, the next step is to go to our TikTok profile. Now that we are in our TikTok profile, the next step is to tap Edit Profile. This will allow us to change our username along with our TikTok profile link. Now, as you can see, your username will also be your TikTok profile link. To change it, all we have to do is change our username. To do that, let's tap on username and type our new username. But keep in mind that you can only change your username or TikTok profile every 30 days. As we can see, I cannot change my username since I have changed it before. But that's no problem. All we have to do is wait for the cooldown to finish. But if username change is available on your account, then all you have to do is change your username and hit save. Once you've done that, your TikTok profile link should have changed with your username. Now you know how to change TikTok profile link. Please let us know what you think on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.